All right, folks, here we are on Trader versus Trader, Trading Nut, episode number 2 in the first round of season 2. We've got Dovy from Lithuania, and we've got Kadeem from Texas. Ironically, they're actually both in Texas at the moment, just after the cold snap. So, guys, welcome to the show over here on Trading Nut. How are things over there in Texas, Kadeem?
Things are pretty good. Not as bad as probably where Dovy's at, but it was cold. The snow's over. It's away now, so everything's good.
Yeah, I heard that it was you said before the show, 18 degrees now. 18 degrees. It's ridiculous. Oh, sorry, that's centigrade for everyone out there sorry, Celsius for everyone out there that does Celsius. That's not from the US. So, Dovy, what about you? How are things? I know you're there for a short period of time. How's it been? Probably horrific.
It was horrific, but we have 18 degrees plus Celsius. We have the sun out, good vibes, good energy. Really happy, really excited. Have some trades running a profit, so we good here.
Can't go wrong. Okay, guys, well, let's get along with this presentation. People in the audience, if you can let me know you can hear this, that would be fantastic. Just a yes in the chat would be great to make sure we've got no technical issues. Now, let's get started with this. It's a different time. I haven't done one at this time of day, so I'm interested to see what sort of audience we get here. Do remember to hit like on the video to just, if you like what you see, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like what you see. So this is how it's going to work, folks. We've got 4 trades for each of these guys. The market is chosen by the trader, and these guys have chosen GBP NZD and GBP AUD, two pairs that I really struggle with, ironically, given the fact I'm down under. Losing trader takes the 5th trade first, and the winning trader takes the 5th trade second. Winner advances to the semi-finals. You guys are playing for this is the overall competition. Winner is playing for a $12,500 evaluation account from my sponsors, City Traders Imperium, valued at £400. That goes to a $50,000 Forex funded account and I think they do Forex and CFDs now, when you pass the evaluation. It's really, really good offering here, guys. Go and check it out. There are links under the video. They also do a profit split of up to 70% as well. So that's City Traders Imperium. We've also got a second prize from my other sponsor. So overall competition winner wins a 1-year VIP subscription valued at $1,000 to Sage Capital. These guys have basically they've got automated trading solutions for funds that they're making available to the retail public, mainly trading crypto, gold, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and gold. So, guys, you can go and check them out underneath the video as well. Now, where are we at with the current standing so far? We've had Pooms versus Jay in the first episode. Pooms absolutely destroyed this challenge, getting 25.5%. I think he was even up more than that, and he got stopped out. He was up like maybe 40% or something at one point. So he's advanced to the semi-finals. That's the best ever score we've seen on this show to date with this new format using Forex Simulator. Guys, just going over how this thing works. So you're going to find 5 consecutive trades on one market. So a bit different from the way we did it in Season 1. You must enter 5 trades before the chart data ends. So we're going to use a random starting point picked by the Forex Simulator software. And if that point's closer than 2 years, we'll redo that so that you guys have got enough time to get your trades in. You can cancel your trade setup anytime before the entry triggers, and you have to risk 2% per trade, and you can't extend those stop losses once in the trade. And rankings are based on overall percentage gain during the 5-trade challenge. Maximum stop loss 500 pips. Then we're going to jump in. So guys, stick around for this. We're going to jump in and do the 10-trade challenge. So this is where my guys here, Kadeem and Dovy, have a chance to win $1,000 cash today by getting 10 out of 10 trades right within the rules below. Also, just so you know, we're going to use Forex Simulator today. This is my sponsor on my show here. So look, Realistic Trader, you're going to see that you can pretty much do anything. It's multi-time frame, multi-market, multi-chart if you want trading as well. There's a 14-day free trial. Links are below the video. And if you basically want to build a bot that tests back test for you. Then let me show you how on my Robot Builders Club. So it's a 7-day video course, VIP community, no coding at all, live Q&A calls, 30 plus ready-made robots. There's a link for that below the video as well. Right, guys, I'm going to stop sharing here. We're going to get this Forex simulator software up and running and get you into it. But before we do, we need to, first of all, set this up. So we're going to do a new simulation. Nope. And we're going to just make sure we've got a clean set of things here. Now we need to work out who's going to go first. Right, I've got an Amazon Fire Stick remote here. So I'm going to put it behind my back, and Dovy, you're going to get to choose which hand it's in. So the hands are now in front of me. Which hand do you want to choose, left or right?
Okay.
Pardon?
Left.
Left?
Yes.
The left hand is here. And you got it. So what do you want to do? Go
I'm
first or
going
second?
Second.
Second? Okay.
Yes.
Kareem, you're first.
Yes.
So we're going to find a random starting point in time, and we'll get you going. So simulation. So you were trading the GBP AUD, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'll get you to access my screen. So 2016, perfect. Right, so do you want to request access to the screen? And thanks for the guys that have said that they can hear us. That's perfect. We haven't wasted 8 minutes of our lives here going through an introduction for no reason. Right, okay, brilliant. Now just hold fire for a second. I'm just going to close this down to give us a bit more space. And we're going to move this down a bit to give us a bit more space as well. We don't want to go down that far. We want to see what trades are going. So if you click the screen now, I'm going to give you that as well. Click the screen now. You've got complete control. You are currently on the 15-minute chart on GBP AUD. Guys watching, if you want to ask these guys questions, please chuck them in the chat. I'll read them in a second once we get this underway. I'm also going to put a link up to the live scores. Do you know what you're doing to start off with, Kadeem?
Yes. So I want to start off in the daily or daily 4-hour time frame. So
Okay.
can I
So
click on those?
Yeah, you click on those, and then you're looking for the blue arrows to go forward.
Just right here up top?
Yep. Click on
Okay.
that. Yep.
All right. And I can use these tools over here on this side?
You can use those tools. Yep. No problem at all. So we got Eamon from Tauranga in New Zealand. Ah, brilliant. Another Kiwi on the show. So this is what happens when you do it this time of day. You're gonna get fellow Kiwis on the show. I was up in Whangamata not too long ago, a few weeks ago. Lovely. Right. Let me so I'm gonna put a link up in the chat here for you guys so that you can get these scores that are going to be updated on the site. So if you do leave and come back again, this is where you're going to go. I'll pin them to the top of the chat. Now, whilst Kadeem's going through this analysis, do you want to tell us, Dovy, how you got into trading?
So I've been I heard about Forex for a long time ago, and I was really interested in just like doing stuff on computer, being independent, being in a job where it has no limits. So I've been looking at it like for a long time now. And I started doing it 4 years ago when I was playing Division I basketball in the United States in Seattle. And I just fell in love with it. I failed a lot of times. I blew a couple accounts, but I kept going. And one of the biggest things that I liked about Forex trading is that you cannot blame anyone else but yourself. So I love the thing that I could learn from my every mistake that I made, and I improved from time to time and became profitable, and just now just enjoying this. I like being wrong, so I can learn from this, and I know the next time I'll be right. So, yeah.
Awesome. Now I asked you before the show, but you got cut off. Division One basketball. I mean, where's that sort of sit compared to the NBA?
It's one level below NBA, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, it's yeah. Players go to NBA straight from D1. So
Wow.
I was pretty close, but you see, I think life is about being happy, right? And you just have to do what makes you happy. And at that time, trading made me happy, and basketball didn't. So
Fair enough.
Quick question.
Yeah.
All right. So right now I'm in the 4-hour, and I'm gonna probably go back to the 4-hour. But if I'm in the 4-hour, is it gonna just give me one candlestick or?
Okay, let me just double check. So if you click the little drop down arrow, so if you want to click on, do you want to go one candlestick at a time?
Okay, so I'd have to put that into 4-hour as well.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I got it.
Okay, cool.
Appreciate it. So if I go down to the 1-hour, nothing's gonna change right now?
If you go to 1 hour, nothing's going to change. You can basically go up and down the time frames at will. But that's the only thing to note is that when you you got to click on the screen first to get control of the mouse. By the way.
All right, my bad.
So still at 15 minutes, I believe. I didn't click 4 hours. So do you want to give us a quick overview of what you've played out here?
All right, so I just wanted to mark out the trend of the market, and I do see it's an uptrend. It is above my 200-period moving average, which gives me a second confirmation that an uptrend is strong. And on my MACD, I'm seeing that it is in a overbought state, so it could possibly come back down. So what I would probably do is wait for it to come back to either this support level or even down to this level down here before getting into a buy.
Cool. Awesome.
So I'm just making sure everything looks good.
Let's see if we got some questions here. So we've got first time here on the live, Isaac. Excited. It is probably because of the time of day. Like, this is the first time I've done one at this time. Guys, remember, hit like for coming on. Please do hit like on this. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because you're going to get to see the rest of this whole series play out. We've currently got one semi-finalist. We're looking for our second here today. How do I join this Pip Guru? So what I'll do is I'll grab the form that you can fill in if you do want to join one of these in the future. There might be some guys that pull out. I've already got my 8 guys that are doing this one, but if you want to do one in the future, or possibly a live challenge, scalping challenge I'll do as well, then I'll put a form up here for you guys to actually, what I'll do is I'll put it on the website at some stage so that you guys can, if you do want to take part, you can fill in the form. Now, you click on that and it's going to give you 1 bar at a time.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to play it out and waiting for it to come back down. But if it breaks above, I'll be looking to get into buys up here at this zone.
Okay.
All right, so I think I got it at the hour, and it's at the hour as well, so we're good.
And what do you call your style of trading, Kadeem?
I'm a break and retest trader. Strictly, like I said, Nick Sean. I've been watching a lot of his videos, so the motivation with that guy.
Cool. I'm going to get him back on the show actually in the next couple of weeks. He'll be back on.
All right, so there we go. So I'm not in yet. I'm going to see what kind of rejection pattern I'm getting in the 15-minute. So I'm good to click it, right?
You good to click carry on? Yeah. You good to click 15 minutes.
All
it's
right,
just the new order is where you want to be careful. That's where we want to slow down a bit. Oops. Sorry. I'm moving the mouse.
All right, that's all good.
Oops. Sorry. Just moving the keyboard as well. Repositioning.
All right, so I'm gonna be looking for buys soon. Right there. All right, so right here I'm gonna place my buy.
Okay. Right, I'll do that for you if you want.
Oh, go ahead.
So yeah, now you just want to find where you're going to put your stop loss, so you can grab that and click once, then move it up and down.
Okay. Once I click it, can I like go a little bit to the past to see what's going on?
Yeah, just yep.
All right. So, matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna right there. I'm gonna enter, and I'm gonna put my stop loss below this zone.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Right, before we enter fully, so did you want to look left as well or not?
Yes, please. I'd like to look left a little bit.
Okay, right. I believe we can just drag it along here.
Yeah, that's good. That's good for me.
Okay. Right. Okay, let me work this out. So it's going to be, it's going to be 0.4 maybe, 0.38. Oops. There we go. Okay, right.
Well,
so you're going to buy? Do you want to put a take
yes.
profit in or not?
Take profit.
You can do it afterwards. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Ready to buy?
Yes, ready to buy.
Okay. Right. So if you want to take profit, you can just drag from there up to wherever you want to put a take profit.
All right. So can I go back to the past real quick?
Yep.
All right.
Guys, remember to hit like on this video. This is first trade coming up. Let's see how Kadeem gets on. So it looks like a zone to zone.
That's it right there. That's my take profit.
Yeah, okay. That's locked in. Cool.
So now do I play it out or?
Yeah, just play it out. Yeah, so if you manage the trade, then obviously you manage it along the way and all that sort of stuff.
All right, so go to the higher time frames?
Yep, high time frames
right,
fine.
Cool. Let me go to the hour.
Okay, just bumped into some profit there already.
All right. So I'm going to be seeing if it can break these zones. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That'll be the weekend, so just keep clicking a bit. You might get to the end of it. If you don't, I will jump in. Okay, let me jump in. All right, I'll give you one candle. Okay, there you go.
All right. There's a lot of consolidation at this area, but I'm still going to run it.
Click the screen, remember, to get control. That's it. So that's the weekend.
Ooh,
it's out.
There we go. Yep.
Right, you carry on. You're looking for the second trade now.
Oh, carry on from right here?
Yeah. Carry on from right here. So this is where it was different from the last one. So guys, I'm putting these scores up on that link. So we're just gonna do. So if you jump away and want to know what the score is, then the place to go is at the top of the chat or below the video. You'll see a link to it as well. I'm going to keep those updated. So this can go on for about an hour. So just if you do have to jump away, that's what's going to happen. Why did that not update? Well,
all right, so I'm about to look right here.
Okay, let's try it again.
All right, I'm going to enter a trade right here. Same buy. Going in on a buy as well.
Okay. So do you want me to go? Do you want me to control it?
Yes, please.
Okay, right. Your order. And just set your stop loss wherever you're going to set it. don't understand it. Oh, for some reason, I can't get the scores to update on the website. So that is very weird.
Are you gonna type it in right here, or do I type it in?
Let me do it. Let me do it. So
Alright.
we're probably, so it's going to be, actually, I think that could be spot on. Let me just get the calculator up here. So it's I'll show you what do you got here? You got 9788 times 0.02. Yep, spot on. Okay, 195. So that's perfect. Do you want to buy, right?
Yep, going in for another buy.
Okay, right. You can see you take profit, take control from here. Okay, so
All right. Oh, did I already set it or no?
you've set your take. Oh, sorry. Your take profit is up. You can see the top there.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it. That's
All right.
It's about 4-1 or 3-1 or something like that. You can see on the side there. Okay, yeah, those scores are updated now on the site. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have a look at your questions in a second. Obviously, got a bit going on here.
All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to, let me see where we at. I'm going to take half. I'm going to take partial.
Okay. So if you right click on that down the bottom there, the a bit higher.
My bad.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Right click on that. Partial profit, partial close. And if you want to take half, it's 50%. Yep. Okay. So you're back to break even on the balance.
What I'm going to do is move my stop loss to break even.
Yep. Just move it up, drag it up to wherever you want to drag it to.
Right to the entry.
Okay, it's $10 in now.
All right. Now I'm going to wait to see if it plays out, come back to this zone and give me nice bounces in the 1 hour. And I'll be looking at lower time frames to add another entry right here in this position.
Okay, cool.
All right, so now we're getting some rejection. I'm going to go to the 15-minute time frame to see what kind of patterns I'm getting. All right, so what I'm going to do, since I'm already running one, the only thing I'm going to be looking for is a change of structure. And when I get that change of structure, that's when I'm going to enter my second position right here. All right, so there we go. I'm waiting for it to come back down a little bit. Now we got some rejection right here. We got an indecision candle right here. I'm probably going to enter right here. Stop losses below this zone, taking it to the same TP.
Okay, so do you want to place into trade now, or do you want to wait for? Just let us know.
Let me wait. I'm gonna wait to see if I can get it to come to. Let me get my line.
Guys, we're at 23 likes. I'm sure we can get to 50. If you haven't hit like yet, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, you want to see the rest of these, you want to hit subscribe as well.
Okay, so I'm gonna enter now.
Okay. Cool. Let me jump in there and grab this. So, new order. And you're going to put your stop loss here. Is that right?
No, I'm going to put it a little bit lower.
You put it where you want to put it.
Okay. I'm going to put it right here.
I can almost guarantee every time I set the stop loss for the trader, they lose the trade.
So I'm gonna put it right there because of this little area we have in the past.
Yep.
And what I'm gonna do as well, my first trade, I'm going to move my stop loss to almost exactly where this one is.
Okay, cool. Let me just get the calculator out. I shouldn't really need it, but it's going to be about $200 times 0.02. Yeah, I don't know why I bothered. Right, so let me just set this. So it's going to be, let's say it's going to be like, it's a bit more than that. It's going to be 6.1, I think, or 6.1. Okay, perfect. Right. So you're going to enter buy now?
Yep, buy now.
Okay.
Stop loss right there.
So you want to move the stop loss up to the same stop loss, yeah?
Yes, a little bit below, right there.
Okay. Right.
And then my TP is going to be, my fault, my TP is going to be exactly the same.
Okay. I don't think you quite grabbed it. Oops, that's the
man.
line. Yeah. There you go.
All right.
So this is the third trade.
Yes, this is the third trade.
Whoa, you're out. Brilliant. 2 wins. So you took 50% on the second trade and another full win on the last trade.
Yes. So I just keep going, right?
Oh, hang on. I don't think I'm trying to. Oh no, you got stopped out because I'm looking at your balance. You got stopped out.
Okay.
Yeah, you got stopped out on the second trade, and the first trade went on to take profit, and it would have been, like, let me just have a look here on the 5 minute. It was so close. It was so close to keeping you in. I think the other one would have just been slightly below it, and it just kept you in. So, okay, so you lost another one, and you took profit on that second part of the first trade. Okay, right. Sorry, there's 1 hour chart. So you've done 3 trades so far. You got 1 more to go before we hand it over to Dovy. So that was confusing. So,
oh, good.
But you still
so
up
just continue.
You continue. Yeah, so you're up 1.3%.
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. See what's going on. All right, so we still have a good amount of structure of the market above my 200 period moving average. I'm going to see if I can get a pullback or a break of this structure in the 4 hour.
George Wilson loving the channel content. Thank you very much, George. From Queensland. Mackay, Queensland.
There we go. All right, so now I'm going to be waiting. Oh, there he goes. So now we got the pullback. I'm going to extend my trend line out. Oh, what's up?
Sorry, I'm just looking at I'm just finally going through the chat here.
Okay. All right, so now I'm going to see what kind of behavior I get into the 1 hour. See if I get a lot of support or rejection from right here. All right, so I'm going to wait for a pullback again.
Forex, welcome. So, guys, we've actually arranged JD Dowdy versus JP Savage later on this week, doing a similar kind of challenge. So, stay tuned for that. So, JP was on here against Forex, who's in the chat here. So, welcome, Forex. Not so long ago. Charlton Jones, how do I get onto the podcast if I have a trading company? Just ask, mate. Just ask me. Send me a DM on Instagram. We'll have a look. I don't know what you mean by trading company. It sounds like you're supporting the traders versus trading. So I really want guys who are traders coming on the show.
All right, so I'm going to be waiting to see if I can get a pullback to this zone or a break of this zone up here. And I'll be looking for another buy. But I'm also keeping in mind that it could possibly come down to this area. But these are the stronger areas that I'm looking for. So I'm going to play it out. Oh, it's the weekend?
Yep. Let me jump in there and there you go. Away you go.
All right.
It's weird because it's like the weekend sort of the line for the weekend actually happens. You got to click the mouse. Yeah. The line for the weekend actually happens later on, but you get the gap before the line comes. So there's the line. I'm not too sure why that is, but that is what it is.
Oh, it's just left. All right, there we go.
Come on, guys. 34 likes. I'm sure we can get to 50. Another 15 is all we need.
We can get to 100.
We'll get to 100. We'll get to 50 first, and then we'll get into 100.
Come on, man. There we go. Come on. I'm going to go down to the 15-minute.
Yep. Dovey, what are your thoughts so far? He's got one trade to go and up 1.3%.
I don't know. I'm ready.
You ready?
Go. Yep.
Playing basketball, has that helped at all, like with your sort of mental state and that?
Oh yeah, it helped me a lot with. I came to this trading business with some discipline, some dedication, and I think anything in life that you go through gives something good. So it's on you if you get that out of it or not. And it just, yeah.
How hard was it in the Division 1? I mean, like, I'm just sort of thinking, Premier League football.
It was pretty hard. Anytime you get in the gym, 3 hours before practice, there's somebody already sweating in there,
Really? If you get in 3 hours before practice?
3 hours before practice, you come in, somebody already sweating in there. Jeez. And it's just like level of competition, level of dedication.
Ridiculous.
People want it a lot, and it's just, yeah.
I'm gonna enter right here.
Okay. Cool. Right. What are you gonna do? Buy?
Yes, I'm going for a buy again.
Okay. Right. Let me help you out there. Right. Well, I mean, you can probably do this now. Stop loss. Yeah.
You said maximum stop loss is what?
Oh, you're miles away. 500 pips. That's only 56.
Okay.
Okay, let's work it out. So you got 120. Let's grab this here. So it was like 132 times 0.02. 202. Wow, extra $2. How am I going to work that out? So 3, probably. What was it? 202. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, you buying?
Yes, I'm buying.
Okay, you're in this, your fourth trade. Good luck.
Can I go to the hour, or I mean 4 hour to see?
Yep, you can go to the 4 hour. It'll not change the candles.
All right.
Kanye West. Yeah, I think Jacob will also be on the trader versus. Well, not this trader versus trader. He won trader versus trader last time, so we'll get him on the other specials against some of the other guys. I think be quite interesting. Some of the other guys that have been on the show.
And I can still close partial if I and move stop loss, right? Just on this one only.
You can still move. You can't add to it, obviously, but you can. You can move your stop loss closer. You can take partial exits, etc. But you just can't add to it because you're already at your fourth trade.
All right.
So far, guys, this is the fourth trade. If you haven't picked that one up, for Kadeem, and then we jump into Dovy, who's going to do 4. Whoever's leading after the 4 trades is the one who does it. Actually, whoever's losing.
Damn.
So that's at your stop. So yeah, Dovy needs to beat minus 60. Was it $76 in profit to not go second for the 5th trade? Sorry if that's confusing for people, but that's how it works. Right, so let me just get you to give up remote control. Come on, don't play with me. This has got to be easier than this. Right, here we go. Remote control. Right, Dovy, do you want to request access and we'll set you up?
Yep.
So let me just, whilst you're requesting access, I'm just going to quickly update the score there so I don't forget it. It's 9924. Because that's what we need to set you off on again. Okay, right, approve. Right, let me just get you set up here with your chart. So it was GBP NZD, wasn't it?
Yep.
Okay, and we'll just clear this stuff off. And we'll find you a starting point after we reset this new simulation. Okay. Right, so what date we got there? Okay, simulation, random date and time. Probably, what time frames do you trade?
Between hour and 4 hour.
Okay, we'll go, it's probably not enough. There you go. Okay, that's your starting point. You're on the 15-minute chart. Let me just close this down for a second and double check we've got no history, and double check this. Okay, cool. Right. Away you go. It's all yours. How'd you feel about that, Kadeem?
It's new. I'm actually excited. Like, even though the trades, we back testing didn't really go the way I wanted to go. I'm excited to be on the show, and it's crazy that to me in the trading community, you're a kind of a celebrity, and I'm actually on here with you. So that's pretty cool.
It's pretty weird that I'm a celebrity in the trading community. That's
Well,
what I find weird.
to me, you are, man.
It's I'm like, the irony is right. There's nobody from where I live. Very few people. I think there was one guy that that goes to the same supermarket as me who listened to the show way back in the day.
Yeah.
And I had a coffee with him before I don't know. I see him down the shops now and again, but because once you've had a coffee with them, it's like they're no longer like peering at you through the aisles and going. Not that he was doing that, but but he was. Sorry, talking about the go back to the basketball. What I was going to say was this little story. So the only person that's ever made it into the NBA from New Zealand, I believe's ever made it in. Might be one other, but is this guy Steven Adams, who you probably would have heard, Oklahoma Thunder.
Oh yeah, Mustang.
So he went to school in the same town as me, same city as me.
Nice.
So, and I remember like it was probably about 5 years ago, he'd just made it in the NBA, and I was walking home from work one day, and this guy like he had shorts on and his hair was all over the place, and he was just like he just stood out for some reason. I walked past him and I was like, damn, that guy looks familiar. And this was like 100 yards from where I worked in the city. And I was like, and he was, a tall guy, and I was like, this can't be Steven Adams, can it? And I was like, I had to look back at him, and I was like, nah, surely not. He'll be in the States, won't he, playing in the NBA. Anyway, it was on the news a couple of days later where he was walking around town. He was in town for some reason. So I should have stopped and got a photo with him. I was gutted. But anyway.
All right, so we have this uptrend that is continuing for some time. As you can see, we have a clear horizontal level that has been broken. Oh my God, this is lagging. That has been broken and retested for 3 times. We have some nice wick rejections in this area. We have strong bullish momentum. We have a double bottom that was formed, and we have a nice retest of the neckline. Only thing that's worrying me is this trend line, but I believe that I'll manage my trade as it comes close to it, if it comes close to it. So I would like to open a buy.
Okay, do you want me to help with that, or
long position?
You got it. Okay. Just choose your stop loss. See if you can work it out.
So
you know what to click the little pen.
Oh, this right here.
Yep. If
why I'm choosing this particular stop loss, because my next key level is right here. As you can see, price had a nice wick and reacted to it, forming the upcoming higher highs and higher lows. So I'm gonna go a little bit below that key level.
Okay, let me work it out. So you got $200 to play with. It's gonna give us we don't want 2 dots in there. Okay, that's perfect. So you're going to buy?
Yes.
Okay, so you can change your take profit if you want. Just drag from the buy line up if you want to put a take profit in there, or you can...
Can I not do anything right now?
You can leave your take profit floating and...
Okay.
Yeah, you can add it later if you want or whatever. So folks that are watching, this is the first trade for Dovy in this challenge. So he's just got to get a positive score at the moment to claim first spot after 4 trades, and then Kadeem has a chance to come back. And
so the price has came to my trend line, but I just see too much of bullish momentum to be closing position or doing anything at the moment. I will see how this reacts. I don't see the price just crashing down with this kind of bullish momentum, so I will keep watching this. Okay, we broke the trend line. Let's see if we can retest it or just keep going up.
Looks like you got a similar style to Kadeem, ironically, without the indicators. Just trend lines and
I follow price action. To be honest, my main trading style is trend lines and broken trend lines. I look for 5-leg move, let other people be stopped out, and just trade from there. Okay, we have a nice rejection of the trend line, even after a strong.
might be in the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah, let me just help you. There you go.
Okay, so I see this consolidation. Let's go to see what's going on in the past. If we have some strong key levels, that could be messing up my trade. I don't know. Why is it?
Oh, sorry, you've lost yourself, have you? Do you want me to help you out here?
Yeah.
Okay, what have we done? There you go.
Okay. I'm gonna go to a higher time frame to see what's going on. I hope I don't lose this now. Okay, I'm just gonna. Why can't I just?
Oh, sorry. What are you trying to do? You moved.
I'm trying to go left to see what's going on in that particular area because I see
Okay,
some
right.
consolidation at the moment.
So I don't know what. So you want to go left, right? So
Yeah, I want to go left where the price is at right now. To the.
Yeah, we can just try and zoom in. It's not gonna. It's miles away, right? So.
What kind of level is that? What kind of price I'm on at the moment?
So you're on date. What do you mean level?
Where is my price? What's it's 2.3494? Oh, here we go. This is the blue line is my price, right?
The blue line is where price is at. Yeah.
Okay. So as we can see in the past, we had this strong bearish momentum to the downside, bearish trend, and this is where the price came up and had another retest of
do you
this
want to click
particular.
so you can if you're moving your mouse?
Okay.
Click? Yeah.
This particular area, and price just continued to the downside. So I'm gonna be closing 75% of my position right here, and just see what's going on with the price in the future.
Let me do that for you then. You
Okay.
ready to close it?
75% of my position. Can you close it?
Okay, it's done. I'll just zoom you in a bit more so you can see what's going on.
Yep.
There you go.
All right. Let's go back to 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Oh, okay. This particular key level, as you can see, price is reacting to it. I'm not going to be risking it. I'm just going to close it full position right here. So if you can do that for me.
There you go. You're out. So you're up 3.09%. And you're looking for your next trade.
Okay. Nice.
Guys, we're still 9 away from 50 likes. Come on, what's going on here? Hit the like button, please. I'm sure we can get to 50. I know it's a funny time of day. A lot of Kiwis and Aussies probably watching this versus guys in Europe who will be fast asleep.
Okay, so we have this trend line that was broken, and let me see if we can have an arrow so I can show you guys what I'm looking at.
The cross here, cross line.
Just an like a arrow.
Like an arrow, top. Oh, you want to do
Top
you want to
right
paint
here.
an arrow or just use an arrow?
Yeah, paint an arrow.
I'll paint an arrow. I think it'll be.
I'm gonna just use trend line. It's all good.
Okay.
So as we can see, we have this trend line that was broken, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now this is my trading style. What I'm about to do.
Oh, this is your 4 legs, is it? And your fifth leg you're looking for.
Fifth leg, yes. I want the
okay.
fifth leg to break this low right here.
Yep. Okay. Yep.
This is weird. I'm used to trading view, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yep.
We're in 1 hour time frame.
What kind of software is this? BK4X. This is a Forex simulator backtesting software. The sponsor of this show.
Okay, we have a nice close below this level, a nice bearish candle. I'm sorry, so I'm gonna be opening short position right here.
Okay, short now. Yep, new order, and then choose your stop loss, and I'll go in there and work it out.
I'm gonna go above right here.
Okay.
Wait, I'm a look deeper into it. This is too fast.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you got $206 in terms of risk available.
Okay, this right here.
Okay, right. Let's work it out. So it's going to be 1.4. There we go, $206. And you're selling, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
so
you're in.
Following my trading plan, most of the time I would close 50% of my position at 1-to-1, run the rest of to 1-to-3, and put my position to break even and at 1-to-2. But I'm not gonna do that here because it's whatever, you know.
it's not real money. Oh, we got to 50 likes. Thank you, folks, for hitting the like button. I know it's hard work out there in the audience.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so most of the time I would be entering, if I have a strong bearish candle below the level, I would just be waiting for the price to come back to this area. So I'm good so far.
Oh, so you want to see it go back, which is just done? Yeah.
Yeah.
Retest. Yeah.
If it's like a strong bearish candle and like way below the zone, my risk to reward wouldn't be that good, you know. So I would just wait for the price to come back to my.
Okay. Yep. I see what you mean. Yeah, and then you get in right on the retest. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what kind of key levels I had in the past. So this is my main key level I'm looking at, is right here. This is where the price took off.
Oh, sorry, mate. Sorry, that was me.
It's all good. Let's see if we can go down to that level. I'm up 150. Okay, I'm gonna put my take profit on this level. How do you do that?
Yep, you can just jump. I'll do it for you if you want. So just drag it down from here. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Back to my entry, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's see how price reacts to my level. Yep, I'm closing position here.
Okay. 100%?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Let's close that for you. So we're just going to exit that. Right. So small loss. Okay. Carry on, mate. You're finding the next one. I'll better update this score. So it's currently 1 loss, 1 win, and you're up 2.24%.
Let's see how price reacts at this high. This is way clear. As we can see in the higher time frame, we are forming another 5-leg move. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So break of this would be a nice indication. But I'm going to see if I have a reaction to this level, to this high, to this or possible opportunity to go short.
Guys, so I should mention that, Kadim's part-time trader, Dovy's full-time trader, just so you got some context here. Kadim, what do you do outside of trading?
I'm actually in the military.
Yeah, I saw those pictures on your Instagram. You're still in the military, yeah? You're still active?
Yeah, still active. I should be getting out this year to pursue a full-time trading career.
Cool.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it.
What do they get you doing at the moment, like with minimal wars on and stuff?
Right now I'm like kind of transitioning out. So for my job, I'm actually a tank mechanic. I work on tanks.
Okay. Oh yeah.
And for right now, there's nothing really going on with where we're at per se. So they have like timelines they're gonna meet like later on in the future, but I'll already be out. So like right now, I have a lot of free time. I was home trying to prepare for this, trying to look up Dovy, see what kind of trader he is. You know,
find my weakness. Put me down mentally.
It's like the UFC of trading. He's like, when he goes to his left, I can get in the uppercut. Now, sorry, someone's asked a question here. Ben Dembele, the back test software, how much is it? So there's 2 options at the moment. And I say at the moment because I know that they're looking to improve the software and make it sort of very dynamic for you guys out there. So what is it? It's $50 a month, or you can buy the whole thing outright for a lifetime, which is $249 US. So yeah, there's 2 options, and there's a 14-day free trial as well.
I think it's a weekend cam.
You think it's a weekend? Okay, let me. Where's my mouse gone? Oh. There you go. How do you compete? Bear bulls bullishly. So what I'm going to do, guys, after this finishes, is I will put a link up in the live stream. Sorry, the challenges page of Trading Nut. So if you guys want to compete, you want to have a go at this in the future, then yeah, what you need to do is fill in that link. I did realize that after putting the survey together that, or the application form together, I didn't actually ask for any contact details, so bit of a mistake on my part. So I'll update that first, then I'll put the link up in the live streams page or the challenges page on Trading Nut. So check out for that. I'm sure we can get to 75 likes now, guys. Surely. There's some good trading going on here. Really good trading. Another one watching it from TX, from Texas, I'm guessing. Rara Renee. With the lockdowns and the weather, I suppose Texas has been pretty boring this week, has it? Not a lot going on.
All right, yes. I want to break off this trend line because with this uptrend, I expect a break of this trend line and maybe a 5-leg move in a lower time frame.
Pablo, this is the GBP NZD pair. The irony is both these guys are gone for GBP down under pairs, which I find very hard to trade. So Well done.
Like, I don't know. I had a number of trades when I first started, and I noticed that GBP AUD, matter of fact, even GBP NZD, it moves a little bit smoother for me.
Yeah.
So most of the time, probably about 70% of the time, it gives you clear levels. And those levels, once I use my confluence with my indicators, it usually goes good for me.
I'm still using, I think. Okay, it's 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. Maybe it's
This is why I was moving so slow, because I was using a 1 hour candle, 4 hour time frame. I was like, why is this so slow?
Oh dear. Sorry, I should have picked up on that. So this is Dovy looking for his third trade here. Currently up 2.2%. And Kadeem is just below break even with 4 trades, 1 trade to go. So this is third, and you got another one, and then we get into the 5th trade.
Okay, I'm opening buy position.
Opening
right
buy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's help you out there.
Let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see.
So,
right.
Can I ask you a question, Davi?
Yeah.
Are you just strictly a breakout trader?
Yeah, I'm a breakout trader. I have a lot of confluences. I look at the quarterly zones, let's say 1.5. I look at the horizontal levels. If I have a horizontal level in my way, I will not be trading. Yeah, I'm a breakout trader, and I wait for 5-leg formation, because a lot of times you can see a trend line to be broken and would come back right away and stop a lot of traders out. So what I wait for that to happen, and another leg and another leg, for traders to like get in and out, and I'm just patiently waiting there. And when I have my confirmation, I see enough momentum, I will enter the trade.
Oh, cool. Either way it goes, man, I'm learning. I'm still learning from everybody. So I'm learning.
Man. It's a
How
process.
you trade, learning some, man.
It's new for me as well, actually. Because when I've tried to trade trend lines before, I've been those traders that keep getting stopped out. But the 5-leg thing makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, that's something I noticed over my I don't know, hundreds, thousands hours of back testing. That's not something I learned from someone. It's just something I noticed,
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I have so this wick, as you can see, made this a higher high, and I'm just gonna be placing my stops below this wick. Let's actually go to a lower time frame and see what's going on over there. I'm gonna still, like, if that was real trading, like, I would be actually having my stop 10 pips below the most recent low. So yeah. So sometimes, like, I would catch,
so
like,
hang on, you just you're not in the trade, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
sometimes
cool.
like I would catch like a 1-to-15 trade, risk to reward ratio.
Why won't you do it today? Just I'm just interested.
Because I'm up right now.
Okay, right. So this is someone who's like, been competing their entire life. He's
Oh yeah.
he's not going to give away the lead.
So, yep, right below this low. Okay, I'm entering.
Okay,
buy.
right. No, not yet.
Okay.
I'm going to change the risk. So 204. So it's just below. I've got control now. Okay, 204. So we just want to go.
Hey, Dovey, how long was your process?
For me to become profitable took almost,
Perfect.
I think, a year. Good year.
Okay.
Yeah.
You buying?
Yes, I buy.
Okay, you're in. These guys are cool. Emon from Tauranga, New Zealand, says in the chat.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
It's happening in Texas, man. Everyone in Texas I've met has been cool.
Once again, as you can see, price almost came back to retest my entry.
I was going to say people in Texas have been ultra cool this week, but that's probably in poor taste.
So I'm going to be looking to take some profits, or maybe a full position at around this high, because you never know, it might be double top. Ooh. Okay. So I'll be watching if this price breaks below my entry.
So as you said, like you would have normally taken money off the table at 1-to-1, wouldn't you? Which you would have just got
50%. 50%. That's why my trades go to like 1-to-10, because if I take 50% of my position 1-to-1, if it hits my stop loss, it would be break even.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of room to like.
Because it's the irony. I think you're at the weekend. Let me grab it for a second.
Okay.
So the irony, ironically, the number of trades that gets stopped out at 1-to-1 if you move to break even is very high, I find. And then, but if you're saying you move stop loss to break even at 2-to-1, which I think is probably actually a better idea, especially letting the whatever run, because 1-to-1 often comes back to stop you out so often. So now you've got no take profit set. So if you do want to set it for that level, you need to move it into.
I want to see how the price reacts to this level. Yeah, we can see a nice weak rejection at 4 hour. So I'm going to be closing 75% of my position here. If you can do that for me.
Yep. 75. Okay. There you go. Currently up 5.3%. 3 trades down, 1 to go after this.
Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm closing the rest of my position right here.
Okay. Let's close that. Okay.
All right. Let's see.
Oh, hang on. You're up. That's right. Yeah. So, sorry. Yeah, closed positions almost at 5%, 4.7%. And that's your third trade. Let's update the score here. You're looking for your fourth trade. .7%.
So look, one teaching thing. Why I'm drawing my trend line right here, right? Why I'm not using this wick? Why I'm not using this wick, right? I'm using this wick because this is where the price came down before shooting up.
Right.
So this is like a strongest confirmation for me, because this is exact area where the price shoot up,
Yeah.
So
Yeah. That's interesting. And so, and the one before it didn't shoot up that much.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good call. The question is why. And I suppose the initial one you're using is because it aligns with a trend that's active, that level. Yeah. The initial point of the trend line.
I'm sorry.
That's right. This point here, you've chosen that because that point there. Can you see? Sorry, I'll click that point there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you chose that because there's obviously a trend going up this way, as opposed to choosing that there, which would then, it's going to be an odd trend line, a broken trend line.
Yeah, this would be an odd trend line. It wouldn't be as clear.
Okay.
I like to trade things that are clear. I don't like to be guessing. Okay, let's see if we can have a break.
Okay, what do we got here? So would you call this Wyckoff strategy? 50 Snake VFX is asking. Would you call it Wyckoff? Yeah.
To be honest, I started studying it like a couple weeks ago, and I'm in a GBP odd sell at the moment because of Wyckoff strategy. So this is a good. It's not a strategy. Wyckoff is not a strategy. Wyckoff is just a method for an extra confirmation for the trade. So, yeah.
Wyckoff.
So Hustle World SZN, we are risking. What are you risking? So it's 2% per trade is the risk on every single trade. And if they scale in, then it's which actually we can't do any more scales in. So it's 2% of the balance at that time. Oh, somebody's out. Yeah.
I think it's the weekend.
There you go.
Thank you.
Question for Dovy.
Yeah.
What made you decide to strictly use price action?
I don't know. I think that's what worked for me. I'm not an indicator guy. I think, to be honest, like people, I don't want to say that. It's like
It's good.
you have to read it. Like I think people that use a lot of indicators are kind of lazy in trading because they don't want to rechart. They don't want to try to understand it. They don't want to be in the moment. They just look, okay, MACD hit there, RSI hit there, and I'm gonna go in for a sell.
Okay.
So I don't know. It has been working for me. So yeah.
So I do have indicators on my chart, but that is the last thing. So when I am doing my trading view analysis, I have nothing but price action. So I'm looking at trend lines, support and resistance areas, and looking at the current price action. So let's say I do have the market at price action, either support or resistance. Then I'll pull up my indicators, right? Because I already know I'm going for a buy. Then I'll go to my indicators, and if my indicators is kind of saying buy as well, it just makes me more confident in my trade.
Yeah, I agree with indicators if you're using indicators for extra confirmation, not for something to take a trade,
Yeah.
Like sometimes I would look at RSI, for example, right? So if I'm trying to go for a sell, but the price is like really oversold, I would be looking for other trades.
Okay. All right.
Okay, the price is not respecting this trend line, so I'm just gonna take it off. Like if the price is just like going in and out of it, I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so we have this key level that has been respected 2 times. As you can see, we had a strong bearish momentum, strong reaction to the downside. Let's see if the price did come to this level and had a strong reaction. Okay, so I'm gonna use this trend line.
All right, guys, we could probably get to 75 likes. We're almost at 60. Thanks, Bitten Cross. Loves this channel. Brilliant. There's great education here today, guys. I've got to say, it's been fantastic what you guys have shared with us. You're at the weekend again. Let me just...
You got to always keep learning. So
there you go.
I like I said, it doesn't matter what happens today. Dovy has taught me a little bit. And I'm going to be looking to see how I can apply that in my future trades.
And how much back testing do you do, Kadeem?
So when I first started, I literally did, I don't know how many back tests I did, but I did 2 hours before work and I did like 2 or 3 hours after work for like a good solid 6 months.
Oh, right. So that was solid. What about you, Dovy, back testing wise, how much do you do, or did you do?
3 cups of coffee and all night.
See, look, that's the difference. Division 1 basketball. He's there 3 hours before you at training.
I just like it wasn't like I gotta go do it. I wanted to do it, man.
Yeah.
It's just like I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed being wrong. Like being wrong when you're like just starting trading is so important and so good. Just like, but there are 2 ways you're gonna take of being wrong. You're gonna be either think that you're losing or you're gonna think that you're learning. You know, it's the perspective of the way you take it. So that's really important in trading. I don't say I lose, I say I learn. You know, I always go back and see if. Okay, so we have this trend line that has been respected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and we had a really strong reaction from this trend line. I'm gonna take this trend line off because it hasn't been respected lately. We had a really strong reaction and it was broken, so that means this trend line is valid. I'm gonna go to a lower time frame and see what we have here. Make sure.
Hey, so if you don't mind me asking, all right,
Yeah.
so on average, how many trades do you take a week?
Depends. Sometimes I would see 1 setup in 1 week, and sometimes I would have 4 setups in 1 day. It all really depends on how the market is trending, and I'm trending trend lines, so I try to avoid consolidation in the market. When I just started using this, my strategy, I was like going into a lot of profits over the days and weeks, and then I would get into this consolidation area for 2 weeks and I would just be losing, and this is what I learned. This is experience, and I try to avoid consolidation in the market. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna mark this up. What I like about this, what I like about this is that price came back to retest. As you can see, look, what if I took this trade long of the break of this trend line? I would be stopped out, right?
Yep.
So I wait for those legs to be formed. Okay. So I like this price action. I like this beautiful bullish momentum candle. And I have still some way to go to this key level. So I'm going to be entering long position right here.
Right, let's see how much you got to play with. 1040. I should have done this ages ago. Okay, so 10,476.
Wait. Can I move this after I click it or no?
Yeah, you can move it after you click it. Just click on the little pin icon again.
Okay, so
just click the little pin icon
exit
again.
It out. I want to look at 4-hour time frame. Okay, beautiful. Let's see what's zone. We at 2344. Our next zone is 2.4. As you can see, this is why the price reacted to it. This is 2.4 zone, really strong zone right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be entering a long position on the lower time frame right here.
Okay, so you got $209 to play with. Just choose your stop loss. Work for that. Work with that.
Let's see.
Right. Hold fire. You ready?
2.4 is 1-to-1. Yeah, let's do this.
Hang on. Right. Hold fire. Let me just set this up. So 209. That's going to be like. God, I'm getting good at this. 4, 3, 5. There you go. Okay, cool. So you're buying?
Yep. Yes, I am.
Right, you're in. This is the fourth trade, guys. So we're almost at 75 likes. Hit like if you haven't hit like and you've just joined. That'd be fantastic. Live scores are at the top of the chat. You can click on that and check out how things have been going. This is the last trade for Dovy. He's pushed himself into profit there straight away, which is a fantastic
As you can
start.
see, once again, as I said, on these strong candles, I like to price to come back to this area. And as you can see, you have a nice, beautiful retest.
Yeah.
So even if I was skeptic on this trade and I wouldn't take it, after I saw this candle, I would be definitely taking this trade. So we are at almost at 2.4 level. Let's see how price reacts to it. Okay, the price broke this level and I don't see any signs of weakness, any signs of rejection. I'm going to continue watching how the price, which is happening here.
Oh, it's spiked up. That's why it's so, yeah. Look,
So
oh, man, I wish I had my profit. What the hell? Wow. This is crazy. Oh, my God. This sucks. Okay, I'm going to close my position right here.
You're closing? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let me just close it all for you. Okay, brilliant. That ends you up at 8.58 up. Let me just make a note of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to get you set up against Kadeem for at your starting point. So 8.58 up, and that was 3 wins and 1 loss. Okay, cool. Right. Kadeem, do you want to request access?
Yes, gotcha.
Hey, don't use my strategy, okay?
Oh no, I'm good.
Okay, so
I'm learning, man. I appreciate all the knowledge you're putting out.
So that you're on here, we can actually start you in the same place. What I'm going to do is go new simulation. I haven't done this yet on the show, so this is new for me. Do you want to save the simulation? No. And we're going to go simulation properties. And we're going to start you off at your closing balance, which was 9924. And you've now got 2% trade that needs to get you a phenomenal, what was it? 8.58%. Okay. So
all right.
You can start from there, carry on, 2015.
All right, so
unless you want me to set you off on a different time, I can do that.
Oh no, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Just gonna have to do some better analysis. All right, so
well, hang on. Sorry, just no. I'm just thinking about this. Dovy, are you happy for him to start here simply because the pairs are so correlated that it might be? I mean, do you want me to find a random starting point or not? It's up to you.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Cool. We'll find a random. Yeah. Just because he's done a whole bunch of analysis, so it's sort of like we got to make it. Okay.
Right.
2009. So that gives you a year and a month to find one trade. I'm sure a year and a half to find one trade. I'm sure you can do it. Right. Away you go.
All right. So since trying to take the lead, All right. So I'm gonna start off on the daily time frame to see what we have going on. All right. I'm actually go up to the weekly. Okay, so we have a nice little option. Is there any way we can like zoom out?
Yep. Let me just so zoom's down here, or you can use this. So if you want to zoom out like that.
Okay. Thank you.
They're going to be improving the zoom functionality to make it probably a bit more like TradingView, I'm guessing.
Weekly uptrend. All right, so probably going to target these highs.
So what's like, since you asked me some questions, I'm gonna ask you some questions as well. What's your strategy? What are your confirmations? What are you looking at? And what's your like training plan?
So I try to stay with trending markets, like I was same as you. I noticed that in the beginning of my actual trading live, consolidating markets tend to give me the wrong trades. So I stay with trending markets. I wait for either an uptrend or downtrend. Once I see the downtrend, so like I said, I use indicators for confluence. So
Yeah,
price action showing me an uptrend, then my bias is a buy. And then if it's above my 200 period moving average, it's just building my confidence. So that's like step one. And then step two, I mark up daily and 4-hour levels. So I know where I want to take the market to, or where I needed to come back to before taking a buy or a sell. And then after that, I go down to lower time frames and I either look for a break and retest or strong rejection off of one of the existing zones. And once I see the rejection, I either look for two candlesticks, either a hammer or an engulfing bullish or bearish candle. And then that would be, so if I get an engulfing or bearish candle plus a MACD signal, like let's say I'm going to buy and it's giving me a MACD buy signal as well, then my confidence is there, my engulfing candle is there, and then I'm going to enter and determine my risk and watch the trade either go in my way or not.
You guys are doing my job for me.
I got you.
Interviewing traders. Well done, lads.
Do you mind zooming in a little bit?
Yep.
My bad. Oh, my fault.
Oh, it's
Is that all right?
A little bit more.
What's going on here? Oh, sorry.
All right.
Let's stop that. Okay, there you go.
All right, thank you. So right now we do have a lot of, I would consider this a choppy market, but we do have a gap down here, a huge gap right here. So I'm probably gonna mark up those levels. It is in a slight, from the weekly time frame, it has been in an uptrend. So I'm probably just going to play the market out and see if we can see what kind of formations we're going to get. So I'm going to go down to the 1 hour, see. All right. Oh, snap. My bad.
Double click on that and it will get it back to normal. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna play it out and see what kind of candle formation we're gonna get.
Got a great trader coming up on the show, actually, folks. This week, you're at the weekend again.
Yeah.
Let me grab it. There you go. He's one of the top authors on TradingView. So, and probably the best chart markup video I've seen in all the ones I've got on my channel. And he's worked at a hedge fund and he's worked at a brokerage firm. Now he trains independently. It's like the full package. Great interview. Well worth listening to. If you got an hour in your day in the coming week, it's coming up here on TradingView, Trading Nuts in about, 2 or 3 days. 4 away from 75 likes. Who wants to be the 75th one? Let me know in the chat if you are. We might even get to 100, Dovy. We should get to 100.
What's the most you had?
Oh, the most I've had is like 250 plus.
That should be our goal right there.
Yeah, well, yeah. I can tell we might struggle today, but just because of the time zone, the time, I think the Europeans are all asleep.
Europe is sleeping.
Yeah, Europe's sleeping and UK sleeping, South Africa's sleeping. So it's all the late night bods from the US and Australia and New Zealand. New Zealand's not really helping because I don't think there's any traders here apart from me and Amon.
So I'm waiting for I was waiting for a pullback of this zone right here. Obviously, it just bounced away from it. So now I got to look for a better zone to enter. So I'm going to be marking up this little area I got here right here. I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour, see what we have. So it is above. We do have a level right here and another level over here.
Pure Cryptos from Amsterdam. He's not sleeping. Well done. He's smoking weed.
Amsterdam.
The irony.
All right, so I'm gonna wait for some reaction in this zone right here and see if we can get the formation we need.
Did you guys get into any of the crypto bull runs that have just happened?
I love analyzing it. I don't really trade it. I love analyzing it. I have been successful in analyzing it. I share my ideas in my Telegram group, but I don't really trade it. I have a long-term investment. I invested in Bitcoin when it was around 12,000.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, it's almost like the Elon Musk coin, isn't it? Now it's sort of
Dogecoin. Oh,
yeah.
the
It's like he just says
Bitcoin?
whatever. Where does crypto go? Just Elon, just tell us where crypto's going.
He's like,
So
I want to make some profit today, so
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna tweet something
Yeah.
about Bitcoin.
So I do invest in the crypto as well. And I'm invested in quite a bit of it. I don't day trade it at all. I'm just holding it for the long term. But Dogecoin, matter of fact, the group that I teach, I teach mostly Forex, but I told them about Dogecoin when it was 0.003. So I told them, I was like, it's a risky investment, but just put your money in there and hold if you want to do it. I'm not a financial advisor type stuff. And I woke up one night, I was actually in the field and it rose to 8 cents. So I took my profit and I got out of there.
Wow. Awesome.
Good day in the field.
Yeah, so I was in the field and one of my students texted me and was like, hey, did you see Dodge? And I looked at it and it was like, just at first it was at like 6 cents. And I was like, oh, should I take it? But I was like, nah, I said I was going to hold it till it hit like a certain level that I did a technical analysis on. And I woke up the next morning and it was at 8 and there was a lot of resistance at the 8 cent level when I woke up the next day. So I was like, I'm going to just take it right there. So I took it and now I'm done with it. I'm probably not going to trade it anymore.
And what was your reason for getting into it in the first place? Because it would have been like pretty risky at that stage.
So I watch a lot of XRP news, Ripple.
Yeah.
So that watching a lot of XRP introduced me to Dogecoin. So I know it was initially a joke from what everybody was saying, and it developed itself into an actual crypto. It was just a risk I was willing to take. I had a little extra money, so I was like, let me put it in there and hold it for a certain price that I was going to go for. It didn't reach it, but I was happy enough with the profits that 8 cent brought, and I just got out. Because I felt like most of the movement was like hyped, not really any significant
justified
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just took my profit at that zone, and that was it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to a lower time frame and see what kind of reaction I'm getting in the 15-minute. It's my last trade. We're getting the rejection I need. Boom, there goes the candle. I'll probably wait for a break of this structure right here. And if I can get a break of that structure, I will be entering. Yeah, I think it's the weekend.
The weekend. I'll try and go one candle. There you go.
Gap down. I'm gonna wait for it to see if it can come back up. A lot of rejection for the resistance.
So you need about, so I'm just doing it in my head, you need about a 5-hour trade
Yes.
to get to
What am I
Dovy.
at? What's my
847, I think. So
800 or what?
$847 is what you, sorry, $858 is what you had. So Kadeem needs just over 800. He really needs over $900.
Yes.
So it's like a 1 to 4.5 or 1 to 5 trade will get him to the point where, yeah, you have to go again and get some profit.
I'm gonna see what's going on in the hour. It's not going to that level. All right, so we have this structure right here. Yes, it did bounce off of this area. We got on the 4-hour. Still above. I'm still looking for buys. I'm gonna continue waiting to see what kind of reaction I get in the hour. And I'll probably be looking, if it can break this structure right here, I'll be looking to buy. Or if it comes back to this area, I'll be looking to buy. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the lower time frames to see what we have. It is not a double bottom, but an area that of significance because of the resistance, the wick rejection from right here, and now it's back there. So I'm gonna go to the 15. And let's see what kind of. All right, so I'm gonna enter right here.
Right. Okay, let me get my calculator out because I had so 198 is what we're looking at. So do you want to set it up?
All right.
Buy a new order and then stop loss set with the little thing. That's it. And then I'll set your risk up at 198.
Can I exit this real quick?
Yep.
So I can go to a higher time frame and actually get my stop loss.
Yeah, just click and then click the X out of it.
All right.
No.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna go below the zone. All right.
Okay, right. So you got 198, as I said. So let's work that out. So that'll be 0.231, is it? $205. What am I doing? 203. 2. 25. That's about right. Yep. It's actually 5 cents. Oh, hang on. Wait. 20. There. That'll do. Yep. Okay. So you're gonna buy?
Yes, I'm gonna go for a buy.
Okay. Let's hit buy. Right. Away you go.
All right. I would like to go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm good to do that, right?
Yep.
All right.
Well, you're in the trade now, so it's either going to hit stop loss or you're going to partial exit it.
All right. So I'm going to just run it in the, I'll run it in the 4-hour. No, I'm going to run it in the 1 hour, actually.
So let's stop loss there. So you need it to be well over 1.8, well, probably about 1.85. Well, the top of the screen there. It needs to go above the top of the screen.
Yeah, I think that's where my TP is for the weekly high. I think that was the weekly high up there.
So just note you haven't got a TP set at the moment.
I'm just gonna watch it play it out.
Cool. Okay, so guys, Kadeem is needing about $900 to get Dovy to play again. He's getting awfully close to his stop losses. It's gone.
There we go.
It's gone. Dovy, congratulations. You've taken this one out. Kadeem, thank you very much for taking part in the challenge, but it's not all over yet, guys. This is only the start of it. We've got the 10 trade challenge, which I can tell you this much, it's a lot quicker than the normal stuff here, okay? So who wants to go? Kadeem, you may as well go first, right?
Yep.
Okay, right. So let's get you a ticker, and it's 10 trades. I'm just going to close these down. I'm going to choose a pair to start off with, and that'll be the first pair. You got 60 seconds. Let me just go through these again, just so you guys are aware of what it is. So here's what you've got. We're going to go through 10 pairs. You've got to get all 10 right. You can win $1,000 today. One trade per pair. Minimum 1-to-1 risk to reward. Minimum take profit 30 pips. Maximum stop loss 100. Only 60 seconds to enter each trade. If it's limit order, you got 3 days. Guys, if you want to take part in this, get the software link below the video and start practicing. So we're just going to exit out of that, get you back in here again. I'm going to pick a pair, and we're going to go through 10 pairs. I'm going to keep score, and we're going to see how that goes. So let's double click this. And oh my word, do you want your indicators on there?
No, it's fine.
It's fine? Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just going to go random start and point in time, and you've got control of the mouse. Once we start, I'm going to hit the start on the timer, and count. All right, let's go. I'm going to hit start on the timer, and we can go. Right, so ready, random starting point in time, and you're just finding the entry, then we'll set you up from there, okay? Minimum 30 pip take profit.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so this is it.
This is a 15-minute chart, and I'm hitting start.
15-minute chart.
Yep. Start
Go
now.
to the hour. We do have a nice little uptrend. I'm going to trend line real quick.
I'll give you a countdown when we get to 30 seconds.
All right. Okay, so now we got that trending above there. We got a high right here.
30 seconds left.
All right.
$20 seconds.
Oh, my bad.
This is fun.
This is why the recommendation is
I'm gonna enter right here.
Okay. Right, so you had about 12 seconds left. So I'll do. Okay, I'll do.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all good. No rush now. Okay, so you're going for a buy or a sell. Which one?
I'm going for a buy.
Okay, and your stop loss is going to be, you place your stop loss. It's got to be 30 pips at least. So
yeah, so
that's 30 there.
I'm gonna just do it 30. Yeah, just
30?
do 30.
Okay, we'll just go 30.
You said stop loss or take profit 30.
30 will you take profit as well because it's 1-to-1.
Okay.
And we're going to go buy, yeah?
Yep, buy.
Okay, I'll carry it out so we're just seeing if it wins or loses. Let's have a look.
Come on.
Oh,
come on.
Yeah, it's out.
Oh man, what the heck, bro?
Yeah, okay. Right, Kitty. Sorry, mate. You didn't get that access to that $1,000. Now, Dovey, do you want to have a crack?
Let's do it.
Okay, request from remote control. So this is the idea is to go away, practice this, and then you get going. So right, got my stopwatch here. I'm going to find a pair for you. Okay, and do you want me to clear the stuff off the chart, or are you not bothered?
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's not. You only got 60 seconds. Right, so let me just find a random date and time, and start. Go.
Oh, this is 1 minute. Wait.
No, this is 15 minutes. 15-minute chart you're on.
Okay.
So guys, they got to get 10 trades in a row correct with a bunch of restrictions here. The best has been 3 by Pooms, who made it to the semi-final. Dovy's just made it to the semi-final. He's got 27 seconds left. If you get stuck at the weekends, I will give you extra time because I'll make sure it ticks through. 10 seconds left to find your entry. 5.
All right, what the hell? Let's go buy.
Okay.
Let's use momentum.
Okay. Right, so your stop loss is going to be, where are you going to, what, 30 pips or more?
Yeah, do 30. Come on, NZD. Come on.
Okay, buy.
Need this.
All right, let's have a look.
Come on,
$1,000.
Come on, baby. Above the moving average.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
got 1 out of 1.
Oh, yeah.
He's got 1 out of 1. Sorry,
Let's go.
Make a note of it. He's got 1. So another 9 to go, Dovey. Only 9. You should be all right.
Too easy. This is too easy.
Okay, right. Let me find another one for you.
GBP USD all day.
Random date and time. Okay, timer starts now. 1 minute.
Let's see what we have. 1 hour. Downtrend.
45 seconds.
Damn, it's going quick. It's not moving.
Not moving? Okay, I'm going to give you an extra few seconds here. Let's just... okay, try it now. Okay, so you got an extra 7 seconds. So 30 seconds left now.
Come on, give me some movement. Damn, it's consolidating.
10 seconds left.
Come on, break.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh man, I don't have anything right now.
Okay, well, do you want to enter or do you want to give up and just challenge?
You wish. So only thing I see right now is 1 hour strong downtrend, 15 minutes strong downtrend. Let's do this. I'm going to sell this.
30 pips or more? Or
no, let's do more. Let's do 50.
Okay. And take profit 50, I'm guessing.
I feel like I'm playing casino right now.
Sell. It very much is, isn't it? Right, let's see what happens. Oh, you got it as well. He's got 2.
Oh,
Got 2.
Good stuff.
Okay, right. So the next one is going to be... Oh, we won't do via GBPAUD. You've already done that. Let's go gold.
Oh, man. I don't like this one. I don't like this one.
Okay, yep.
I'm
and
good.
timer starts. Have you got access? Okay,
Yes.
timer starts now.
Okay, we have a downtrend. Let's see.
45 seconds. GG's. What happened? Dovy made it to the semi, taking out Kadeem, and Dovy got 8.57% growth. So second best score ever on the show. 30 seconds.
Give me one more leg. One more leg and we good.
10 seconds. Sorry,
Oh yeah.
20 seconds.
Come on,
20
break
seconds.
it. Break the low. Break the low. I'm entering sell right here.
Okay. Right. Stop loss. What's your stop?
Let's
gonna
do
be?
4,500.
Sorry?
Let's see, 4,500. Let's see, where is it at?
4, 5?
Let's do 5,000. 500. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's 500. 50 pips.
Oh, why is it doing it down there? You're selling, right?
Yeah, I am.
Why is it doing it down there? Why is it doing it down there? Why is it gonna... I want to sell. It's going to error.
Maybe it's a sign that I should buy. Can you actually move my stop
there we go.
loss
That's
a
it.
little higher?
Okay, right. So I can do it now. Sorry, you want to
Can
move
you
your
my
stop?
stop loss a little higher? Yeah. Do 1,260. Somewhere around there.
Did we enter this? No, we haven't entered it.
Oh.
Doesn't matter the score. Okay. This happened to me the other day. Sorry. Some reason, new order.
I can do another minute.
Glitched. 2018 627. So I think that's this happened to me the other day. Can you guys just remember that? The June 2018, the 6th of the 27th. Can you just remember that?
2018 6 27.
Actually, that might have fixed it. Okay, so you're doing sell. Okay. What did you say? 5,000 or something?
No, I want to go to 1,260.
Okay, 60. 1,260.
Yeah.
And take profit's going to be the same as that. Okay, that's better. So we should be able to sell. Is that 1-to-1? It's not 1-to-1. 7,094. Yep, okay. Right, there we go. Sell. Okay. Let's see what happens.
Go.
The third trade. If you get the third, you've at least equaled the top score of consecutive trades.
There we go. Come
there
on.
There you go.
There.
He got the third. He got the third. Well done. What's going on with my hearing here? Something's gone weird. Okay, cool. So that's the 3. We're going to go NZD CAD. Right, random starting point in time. And I'm just going to give you one candle there because it looks like the spread's just horrific. 15-minute chart. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Start. 1 minute.
All right, we have a strong uptrend, but it might be it's lagging. It might be a start of a pullback. As you can see, we have some consolidation. Let's see what the price does. Oh my God.
30 seconds now.
Let's see if we can break this.
The winning R was, there was no R score on these Amos. It's percentage, 19 seconds, and the winning percentage was 8.57. The scores are up on the site. Check out the live scores at the top of the link. 10 seconds left.
Another consolidation.
4, 3, 2, 1. Right, you got to enter a trade now. got to enter a trade.
Okay, I have a uptrend in a 1 hour. I have uptrend in a 15-minute time frame. I have higher highs and higher lows, so I'm gonna enter buy.
And your stop loss is how much?
Below that low, so around 870, 871.
871?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. 419. So this is three out of 3 is so far the best score. You're buying?
Wait. Because I was expecting a pullback on a higher time frame. So, but I'm playing against momentum. I'm buying. I can't do that.
Let's have a look. Can he get 4 out of 4? This is where Pooms got unstuck. He gets it. 4 out of 4. 4 out of 4. So you only got to get another 6 and you get $1,000. Okay, yes, so right, where are we at here? Let's find another pair.
Imagine I lose at 9.
I know, it's like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, right?
Yeah.
Simulation, random starting point in time. Okay, great. Ready? Go. 1 minute.
Consolidation. Can I use this? Oh, yeah. We have a zone. We're in uptrend.
45 seconds.
Let's see how price reacts. Okay, it's not moving.
Oh, stopped.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's the weekend. It's the weekend.
Okay, pause. So. Right, let me just get you going. Okay, there you go.
We good?
Yep. Okay. I'll give you an extra couple of seconds there. Okay.
Fake it out.
25 seconds left.
Let's see if it's a spring.
20. 15. 10. 5. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Right. Are you going to enter a trade or are you going to sort of end it there? Call it quits?
I'm going to be shorting this.
Okay. And stop loss is?
Go a little higher. Let's do 5 to 520.
5 to 5.
Hey, Dovy.
Yes.
Hey, you have YouTube videos?
No, I don't. I have a Telegram group where I sometimes do like Zoom calls, some educational videos.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
17.4. You're selling? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. This is a 5 out of 5, guys. Halfway there, and he nails it. He absolutely. You should have just done the strategy going for the challenge, mate.
That's what I thought, man. I was about to say the same thing.
Should have saved us about 2 hours. Right. Okay. Let's find another pair. Euro NZD.
How many people is watching this?
At the moment, there's only 80 concurrents. So, but there's been 1,500 on the thing so far, and there are many more. Will watch it later on. Right. So, let's find you a starting point.
That's it.
That. Yep. You're on. You're on.
Oh wait. Okay. All right. Man,
45 seconds.
I just wasted 15 minutes, just 15 seconds just scrolling this. All right. Let's see. This bad boy can break this.
30 seconds.
Come on. Come on. Give me some. Give me some. One leg. One more leg.
20.
Oh, that's beautiful. Break the high, break the high, break the high. Break the high, baby. Break the high. Okay.
10.
How many times? 10.
Yeah, the weekend.
Weekend, yes.
Let me give you a hit. One bar there. Okay, you got a few seconds left. Okay, stop. Right, what are you doing?
This is tough. Okay, so I'm at 154, almost 5 level. 5.6, 5.7 level has been rejected. I'm entering a buy right here, but no. Can I see the chart once again? Have a resistance. If I just could get couple more candles. Yeah, I'm buying this.
Where are we stopping? This is on the hourly, so 100 pips. You've got 100 pips. That's as far as you can go.
100 pips the most. Let's do
Yep.
the 100.
Okay. Sorry, that's 102. What am I doing? I don't want my sponsors going. Hang on a sec, mate. There was 102 pips. Okay, right, ready to buy?
Let's do it. Let's see. Going against momentum.
It looks like it's...
Yeah, it's against momentum.
In there. Let's go.
So close.
It's gonna touch it. It's gonna. Oh no!
Oh, no.
No way.
You're kidding me.
No way.
You're kidding me.
It's crazy.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
Jeez.
How many is that?
That's 6 in a row.
Let's do it.
That's 6
Damn.
in a row. Guys, if you're not liking this video, what's wrong with you? We should be at 100 likes now, not 85. Come on, get liking. Right.
Put DovyFx on the map right now. Come on.
DovyFx is murdering it. 6 out of 6. Right. Simulation. Random date and time. There you go. It's on the 15-minute chart. Let's hit timer. Start. 3 away. $45. Ignore that alarm. That's me.
It's not. It's a weekend. It's not moving. Hasn't moved.
There you go.
Another leg.
30.
Can we break it?
94 likes. Come on, guys. We can get to 100. 20 seconds left to get 7 out of 7 trades.
I'm good. Let's enter short right now.
Okay. It's like free throws, mate. It's like you woulda. Where you putting your stop? What are we on? C. What are we on the hourly?
Can you move to the? If you look to the left, you can see the low right. Can you see how much pips is that? No, lower. Yeah, right. This.
That is 600 and well, I think it's actually 660. Yeah.
So and move up 60 to. Yeah, let's do 60. Let's see if we can touch the low. Only thing I don't like is if you look on the left, we have an uptrend, and this is the key level that broke the structure, and as you can see, had a strong push to the upside. So the price might just have a reaction and continue to the upside exactly at this level. But I have a 5-leg confirmation. It broke the low, so I'm going to be selling and maybe touch the lows. Let's see.
Okay, let's go sell. the hell? Oh, it's done this weird thing again. Oh, for crying out loud. What is it doing? There we go, that's looking a bit better. Okay, now let's sort this out. 6,000 and 6,000. Okay.
Come on.
Right. Okay. Here we go. This is for 7 out of 7, folks.
It's either going to crash. In my opinion, it's either going to crash to the downside or to the upside. It's going to have some kind of reaction, right?
Okay. This is 7 out of 7. We're getting very close here to...
Oh.
You got
like
6. You got 6, man. That is unbelievable. I've got to say, with 60 seconds set up, that is unbelievable. Well done. Hat goes off to you, guys. Look, that is the show here today. Hopefully, you guys watching enjoyed it. Please share this just on the Forex Simulator Challenge, so you know what happened. So, unfortunately, Kadeem blew out on the first one. Look, this is a very hard challenge. And Dovy managed to get 6 out of 6 right, which is by far the best attempt at this so far. And we're only like probably 5 attempts in. So 6 out of 6. I thought I was going to see that maybe in a year's time. So that is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, if you do want to take part in this, we'll do an open floor at some stage in the future. So get practicing, get that software. It's the Forex Simulator backtesting software here. It's really, really good. As you saw how it works today, go back and watch the video if you really sort of want to see the details around it. Links below the video. Also, if you want to do your own backtesting with an automated trading robot, let me show you how. I've got the Robot Builders Club. I teach you how to do it in 7 days. VIP community, no coding at all. Live Q&A calls, 30 plus ready-made robots. There's a link below the video for you for that as well. Now, guys, once again, thank you for coming on the show. I think it's been absolutely fantastic. What you've shared with us today has been amazing. Kadeem, you didn't quite make it, but great education regardless. Do you want to just let the guys know how to get hold of you? I've got your Instagram link up on the live stream page over there on Trading Up. Link under the video, so they can find you there.
All right. So if anybody want to get a hold of me, I do free education, free Zoom calls, just for anybody that's trying to learn. Not really charging nobody anything like that. Instagram, as soon as you hit me up on there, you get linked up with the free Telegram chat. And yeah, continue to grow, continue to learn.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Dovy?
Same Instagram, DovyFx, Dovy.fx. I have a free analysis group where I share all my trades and all my knowledge that I have. From time to time, I will do a Zoom call. I share my strategies. I share my ideas, everything from Forex to cryptocurrency. And I just enjoy hanging out with these people, sharing my knowledge, and I get a lot of positive feedback. So
awesome.
Yep. And just one quick note, whoever's watching the video, don't be scared to ask questions, because I am going to be asking Dovy lots of questions after this.
Hopefully Dovy's not inundated. Look, guys, thank you very much for coming on the show once again. And guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to end the stream here. Remember, we've got JP and JD Dowdy coming up on the show this week doing the same thing, having a crack at this. So if you want to get more of this, it's coming up very soon. And we've got that fantastic guest coming up who's one of the top authors on TradingView. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next live stream or in the Trading Up podcast.
Thanks for having me. Peace.
Peace.